This video describes the process used by Smartsettle ONE and illustrates how its intelligent algorithms empower collaborative parties to settle formal negotiations that can be easily reduced to a single numerical issue. One of the most attractive features of the process is that the parties are in complete control. Smartsettle ONE is configurable according to the application, but the process typically includes these 8 steps. Let's see how this process works with a fictitious case that is based on the real world of forest management. It's a negotiation about how to manage the old-growth forest. The parties have started their negotiation with face-to-face meetings, where they have communicated their positions that determine the gap that has to be closed through negotiation. The agreed negotiating range is entered into the negotiation system, and a draft of the final agreement is created, complete except for one blank representing the issue to be negotiated. The remaining issue is settled with a visual blind bidding process, in which parties enter both visible and secret bids in a series of sessions. The zone of possible agreement is determined by how far each party is willing to concede. Its existence is confirmed only if a settlement actually occurs. It is shown here so that you can see that Timberco's opening proposal is more extreme than Forest Tours. Session 1 ends with no overlap, and thus no deal. In the second session, Forest Tours moves close to their concession limit, while Timberco is still quite far away from their limit, even though they made a relatively large secret move. Forest Tours declares final session and makes their last secret concession to 58%. Timberco is caught off guard, but they do want an agreement. Therefore, without knowing what Forest Tours' final concession is, Timberco concedes all the way to their limit of 61%, which creates an overlap of 3% between 58 and 61%. Clearly, we have a deal, but what is it? The first thing that might come to mind is to split the difference, but that's a bad idea because it rewards the party that holds back. This has a chilling effect on the negotiations. Smartsettle's algorithm rewards collaborative behavior, which has the exact opposite effect. In this case, Forest Tours is favored for making the smallest last move, and the outcome is declared to be 60%. But Timberco is also satisfied because the outcome is 1% less than they had been willing to accept. On agreement, the final document is automatically generated from the text of the single negotiating framework, and a certified PDF is available to both parties. Over 2 decades of R&D at Smartsettle has resulted in 9 algorithms, 6 of which are used by Smartsettle ONE. The small gap closer and the expert neutral decider are explained in separate videos. To learn more, go to smartsettleresolutions.com. Thanks for watching.